What is hydrogen? Oh my god, help!
Hydrogen, hydrogen, hydrogen. What is hydrogen?
Don't worry, ladies. I am here to help you. Thermodynamics is not that hard. Let me show you. Now, I will explain to you about hydrogen. So, what is hydrogen? Firstly, we will talk about the properties. Hydrogen is colorless, odorless, and it is the lowest density of all gases. Next, we will talk about the electrical structure of a hydrogen. Now, how do we obtain hydrogen? Since hydrogen is the lightest element, it rises to the atmosphere. Therefore, it is hard to obtain pure form of hydrogen. It is usually produced by a method known as electrolysis. Next, we will talk about the uses of hydrogen. Hydrogen has two main uses, mainly ammonia production and as a fuel. Now, we will talk a little about the history of hydrogen. In the year 1839, Sir William Robert Grove, an inventor as well as a physicist, mixes H and O in the presence of an electrolyte. This has produced electricity and water. This is later known as fuel cell. Now, we will talk about how it works. So, by mixing two hydrogen atoms and one oxygen atom, we get two water as well as energy and heat. This is how fuel cell works.
In the chemical industry, hydrogen is used to make ammonia that is used as agricultural fertilizer through a process called the Haber process. Shortly, the Haber process combines both hydrogen and nitrogen to produce ammonia. Besides, hydrogen is used in hydrogenation process to produce different chemicals. For an example, hydrogenation of benzene produces cyclohexane, which are intermediates in the production of plastics and pharmaceuticals. Moreover, large quantities of hydrogen are used to hydrogenate oils to form fats. These fats are later on used to make margarines. Next, since hydrogen is highly flammable, especially when mixed with pure oxygen, it is used as fuel in rockets. Usually, they combine liquid hydrogen with liquid oxygen to make an explosive mixture. Next, the low density of hydrogen made it a natural choice for one of its first practical uses, filling balloons, typically weather balloons. Previously, it was also used to fill up airships. However, it reacts vigorously with oxygen to form water, and its future in filling airships ended when the Hindenburg airship caught fire. Hydrogen is also used to remove sulfur from fuels during the oil refining processes. The process called hydrodesulfurization is a catalytic chemical process widely used to remove sulfur from natural gas and from refined petroleum products such as gasoline, petrol, jet fuel, kerosene, and diesel oil.
Hydrogen also has its own obstacles, such as it is dependent on fossil fuels. Although the point of switching to hydrogen is to get rid of using fossil fuels are still needed to produce hydrogen fuels. So, to overcome this, we could produce hydrogen using electricity from a renewable source such as geothermal energy. Next, hydrogen is also expensive. While widely available, hydrogen is expensive because the process to separate the element from each other is hard. So, a simpler process could be developed in the future. Hydrogen is also highly flammable. This is because hydrogen gas burns in air at a large concentration between 4 to 75%. So, to overcome this, we could produce a hydrogen fuel with lower concentration that is suitable for transportation needs. Finally, hydrogen is also difficult to store. This is because hydrogen has the lowest density among all elements, so it has to be stored in a low temperature to maintain its efficiency. So we could produce a tank that will maintain at a low temperature even if the temperature of the car increases.
As a conclusion, hydrogen has has many benefits as fuel, but due to certain obstacles, it's yet to be the major source of the fuel. Our future chemical engineer will try to overcome this obstacle to make hydrogen the main source of fuel.